Well, Halloween is coming around the corner, so let's make something really cool today. I'm throwing something in the Pottle Mini and Blanc, and I'm adding some clear gel. I found some old stamping gel. Don't know why the brush looked like that, but found from Born Pretty. Found some old stamping gel that I thought it would help me get the dark color I was looking for since it was just lying around. Obviously, I can't use it because of the brush. And found some OCND. I want to throw some of that blue in there. Just some gel polish. Remember, when you're mixing gel, try to make it a 1 to 4, or 1 to 3 ratio. You should not be putting a lot of color if you call yourself mixing something. The base of it should be clear gel, and the rest just kind of adds and mixes into it. Just so it doesn't get crazy. Yes, I'm putting nail polish in it. Sue me, okay? But just a drop. Okay, the whole point is that if you don't go crazy, because then it definitely will not cure if you go crazy, okay? All right, adding my glitters. And yes, I did need that red polish. I know you're asking, like, why the nail polish? Because I needed some red. Adding some diamond glitters, added some foils. It looks like I'm ready. All right, let's go. And we're mixing. I like it. And yes, I wanted to make purple. That's why I needed that red. And I could not find my red gel. So I was like, hey, why not? As long as it's a small amount, it will cure. Remember that. And what do you think? I think it looks so good. Ooh la la. Very goth. Very vamp. Oh my God, it reminds me of those years on set when everybody was wearing Linkin Park. Do you remember? Come on, I know you remember. Anyway, okie dokie. So, ta-da, I love it. All right, so let's watch this thing. On my little nail here. All right. Definitely got a lot of glitter in it. I like it. If I wanted to do a jelly color, I could just do that. I could just do like 1 coat, and I think it's still pretty cool. Let's see. I think it looks really pretty as a jelly color too. But I want a little bit more coverage, so I'm gonna go through one more time and add another. It's sort of like a semi-clear, It's got kind of got like a little. I'm like, no, I want full coverage. All right, so what do you think? I love it. I would add a little top coat, and there you have it. My new goth nail for Halloweeny. And of course, we put some diamond glitter in there, so I wanted to show you how it looks. And it looks so pretty. Order now at pottle.co. Thanks for watching.